Hi guys, welcome to the Miles Better channel. Today we're looking at the OnPoint Mentors scheduling program and how once you create your virtual office and interact with your clients that you have some amazing features and benefits. So we're going to start by assuming that we are ready to go to our first meeting, and we're going to go in start, clients arriving, and here we go. There we go. It's going to start. So we're needing to wait that the client is getting ready. We're 5 minutes ahead of the client always. So we're going to just check. We're going to join using the conversation. Here I am popping up again, and we're going to join the conversation. Might end up with a double whammy, but no, here we go. So we're looking at sharing the conversation. We're waiting for our client to arrive, and they eventually will know that they're arriving when they knock on the door. But in the meantime, whilst we're waiting, let us review some of what is inside the functionality here. So we could use a whiteboard. This I love. All right, so this is a whiteboard that we can interact with. We can type hello. Hello, not very well spelled, but that you get the idea. We can write things. We can change the color of the pen to have blue, to any color we like, to red. We can then draw with our squiggle. We can rub it out with the eraser. We can go here and we can use a marker pen. Again, different colors. So as you can see, very exciting, big and bold. We can have some fun. Now, this is me controlling it from my mouse. Obviously, if you were using an iPad or a Surface Pro Zero, Surface Pro, you'd have a pen and you'd be able to draw much easier. But you can do lots of different things. You can put formula, you can put text, you can put arrows, and we can park it. We can reduce it if it's taking up too much screen, and we can bring another one on. We can have a second whiteboard, and you can leave these just sitting on the side here. How fun is that? Love that feature. It can stay up there for as long as we like. We can move it around and enjoy. So something really simple there, guys, on your virtual office. Hope you've enjoyed that. And if you like this video, please share it or subscribe using the button below. And of course, if you haven't yet joined OnPoint Mentors or checked out any of the other videos, please do so and join us today. Thanks very much, guys. See you soon.